This store operates on a dropshipping system and sells this product. Last month, it managed to generate over $45,000 from this product, all through creating content on TikTok. The owner has a TikTok account with the store's link in the bio and creates daily content about this product. This product is sold for approximately $50, while its cost is less than $30. This helped achieve a significant profit margin, with over 1,200 orders processed last month. Today we will learn step by step how to start dropshipping, create an online store, and find a supplier to source products at low prices. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I post winning products daily. The first step is to create an online store on Shopify. I will leave a registration link in the video description, through which you can get your first 3 months for $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. You will also find another offer in the video description if you wish to start with TikTok ads. If you spend $100, you will receive an additional $100 free credit to use again on TikTok ads. After creating the online store, we move to step 2, which is choosing the supplier. The supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop offers a free plan with thousands of winning products. It provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We will start by installing the app on the store. Then we will return to Shopify, click on Apps, and select Zendrop. From here, we will start searching for the product name, which is the product we will work with. We will open the product, and here we will find all the product details. Below, we will find the variants, which are the available colors and sizes of the product. Here we will find the product cost. Here is the shipping cost, which varies by country. Here is the total cost. To add this product to the store, click on Add to My Products. Then click on My Products and you will find the product there. Click on Review and Publish. From here, you can edit all the product details before publishing it, such as the product name, product description, variants, and selling price. For example, you can sell this product for $45, and here the net profit per piece will appear. Here, choose the images that will be published on the store. Then click on Publish to My Store and then confirm. This will publish the product to the store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you will find the product listed there. Now you will complete the rest of the store design steps and the store settings, as well as linking the payment gateways through which customers will pay for the product. Once you start receiving orders, go to Shopify, click on Orders, and you will find the orders there. Initially, you can add funds equal to the order cost and then ship these orders to customers. The advantage of Zendrop is that it provides 25 orders in the free plan. If you wish to process an unlimited number of orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. After that, you have 2 options. Either create a TikTok account, place the store link in the bio, and start creating daily content, or run paid ads on TikTok. Don't forget that I left an excellent offer link in the video description. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. I wish you a happy journey in dropshipping. Goodbye.